For serious traders and investors, a trading platform is not just for placing orders. It is where the full trading journey happens. From spotting opportunities and analyzing the market, to executing trades, tracking positions, and reviewing what happened after. Over time, FYERS Web has been built to bring this journey together in one place. Discovery, analysis, execution, tracking, and automation are connected in one platform. Over a period of time, we have built a lot of product capabilities. But as we build more and more features, we also want to make sure that users are aware of them and it is easy to find. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of FYERS Web. We will explore different sections of the platform, understand what each one is designed for, and see how they come together as part of your trading workflow. You can also use timestamps in the video to jump directly to any section you want to explore. Let's begin. When you log into FYERS Web, you start from the home page. Think of this as your first view of the platform. You can quickly see your watch list, your account summary, your market overview, investment products, tools, and heat maps. So before you start any specific section, you get a quick sense of two things: what is happening in your account and what is happening in the market. From here, your journey usually begins with something you want to track. It could be a stock, index, F&O contract, or commodity. That is where your watch list comes in. Your watch list is your everyday tracking space. You can create multiple custom watch lists, choose from ready-made watch lists, or use a smart watch list. Smart watch lists are connected to your saved screeners. So if you have a screener that tracks a specific setup, you can save it once, keep following the screen symbols through the smart watch list. This helps you save a lot of time. When you need more room on the screen, you can hide the watch list panel and bring it back whenever it is required. From a symbol in your watch list, you can move to different sections depending on what you want to do next. Symbol details helps you look beyond price and get into in-depth analysis of any symbol. You can understand the company through fundamentals like financials, key ratios, shareholding, corporate actions, and other important stock level information. You can also check recent events, technical indicators, F&O data, and related news from the same place. The idea is simple. Before you trade or invest, you should be able to understand everything about the symbol without having to juggle screens. Once you have that context, you can move into charts. Charts can be opened from within the symbol details or directly from the dedicated charts page. A dedicated chart page gives you more room to study price movement. You can use timeframes, indicators, drawing tools, layouts, and market depth based on how you analyze. A charting workspace also keeps your trading activity close by. So while you're studying a chart, you can still keep an eye on your positions, orders, and funds without breaking your chart interface. Charts also has something called bar replay. Bar replay helps you practice on historical charts as if the markets were unfolding in real time. You can review entries, exits, stop losses, and decisions without using real money. So charts on FYERS Web are not just at looking at price, they help you analyze, practice, place your trades as well. Sometimes you may not want to start with a specific symbol. You first want to understand what is happening across the market. That is where markets comes in. Overview gives you a broad view of market activity across indices, stocks, commodities, and global markets. If you want to find opportunities based on specific conditions, you can use screeners. Screeners help you discover stocks using ready-made screeners or your own custom logic. Once you've saved a screener, it becomes available as a smart watch list. So screening and tracking can stay connected. For broader analytical view, there is market analytics. This helps you look at the market through heat maps, bubble charts, sector and commodity views, FII and DII activity, company filings, bulk and block deals, and seasonality charts wherever it is available. Across FYERS Web, you will see FYER, the FYERS Intelligent Assistant. FYER has its own dedicated page where you can ask questions about the market or your account. You can analyze charts, research stocks, check the day's outlook, explore news, review your portfolio, or even create your custom screener by telling FYER what you're looking for. But FYER is not limited to just one page. It also appears inside different sections of FYERS Web. For example, if you go to charts, it can analyze the chart you're viewing. From symbol details, it can help you understand the stock in much more depth. From option chain or option analytics, it can analyze the selected symbol and expiry. From portfolio, it can help you review your holdings. For IPOs, it can help you analyze available IPO information. So you do not always have to start from a blank question. FYER uses the context of the section that you're in and then provide you insights. Now let's say your analysis is done and you want to place an order. On FYERS Web, order placement is available close to where you are working. If you're tracking a symbol, analyzing a chart, studying the option chain, or using Scalper Terminal, you can take action from there itself. The order window opens, you set up your trade, and place the order. If you want more control over execution, you can also use smart orders to place conditional based orders. After that, orders is where you track what happened. And this is not only for stocks and F&O orders, your mutual fund, IPO, and FD orders also appear in order section itself. So orders becomes the place where you track the status of anything that you've placed in FYERS. Once an order is executed, it moves into positions under portfolio section. Positions is where you manage your active trades. When you have multiple positions open, grouping helps you organize them based on how you want to monitor exposure, product type, profit and loss, or smart exit coverage. Smart exit actually helps you set P&L based exits for selected positions. So if those positions reach either your target or stop loss, they can exit based on the rules you have set. And once the trading day is done, positions P&L curve helps you review how your P&L moved throughout the day's session. To view your investments, go to Holdings under the Portfolio tab. The All section gives you a consolidated view across your holdings. You can also move into stocks, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and pledge-related specific tabs, depending on what you want to check. Portfolio helps you understand your investments and how they are performing beyond just individual holdings. The funds section is where you manage your money on the platform. You can check your available balance, margins utilized, see what is utilized and what is withdrawable, and then place your add funds or withdraw funds requests whenever needed. If you trade F&O, there is a dedicated F&O workspace. This brings together tools you need to analyze, build, and manage options trades. You can start with options homepage. This gives you a quick snapshot of the entire options market. You can look at heat maps, top gainers and losers, and contracts expiring soon, and position build-up or unwinding across indices, commodities, and stocks. So before going deep into any one contract or strategy, you can get a quick sense of what is happening in the entire options market. Then comes Options Chain. Options Chain helps you study calls and puts for a selected symbol and expiry. You can switch between price, Greeks, straddle view, and create custom view depending on what elements you want to focus on. You can also track your positions and orders from the same options chain itself. And with basket mode, you can add multiple option legs before placing the final order. If you want deeper options data, go to Options Analytics. This helps you study activity across strikes and expiries, along with volatility and open interest. You have 18 different categories of options analytics. It'll help you analyze your options trading in a much more in-depth manner. When you already have a view and you want to build a strategy, go to Strategy Builder. You can build a strategy from scratch, use our predefined strategies, or use Strategy Finder to find strategies based on your market view. Before taking any action, you can check the payoff, risk, margin required, break-evens, Greeks, and the overall P&L of the strategy. And once your strategy is ready, you can also automate it from the strategy builder itself. So the strategy can run the way you planned without placing each leg manually. For active F&O traders who want a faster workspace, there is a dedicated Scalper Terminal. Here you can view the underlying and selected call and put side by side in a 3-chart layout. You can select strikes, track the options chain, place orders, manage stop losses and exits, and view your trading activity on the same screen. And then there is Automate. Automate is where repeatable trading processes can become no-code workflows. Think about things traders usually monitor manually: price level, breakout, an indicator condition, time-based entries, or signals from another platform altogether. With Automate, you decide when the workflow should run, what it should check, and what should happen next. That action could be placing an order, sending an alert, managing a position, squaring off, or stopping the automation altogether. You can also bring in external signals through webhooks from platforms like TradingView or Charting. FYERS Web is not only for active trading. You can manage your investments from the same platform. From the More menu, you can go to Mutual Funds, IPOs, Fixed Deposits, and SIFs. Let's start with mutual funds. Here, you can explore schemes, compare different schemes, invest in one go, or set up systematic plans like SIP, SWP, or STP. You can also apply for IPOs or book fixed deposits from the same investment section. And once these investments are made, you can track them from your portfolio holdings. Reports is where you can access important records related to your trades. This section is organized into P&L and charges, transactions, analytics, and others. So whether you want to check realized P&L, tax P&L, ledger, order book, trade book, charges, statements, or FD reports, you can find all of them from this one page. Profile is where you handle account updates like personal details, bank details, nominee details, segment activation, and other modification requests. Settings helps you personalize the platform based on how you want to trade and invest. And if you want to learn more or need help, resources are right there. The FYERS YouTube channel has detailed product videos and walkthroughs. The community is where you can learn, discuss, interact with other users. And FYERS support is there for account or platform related queries. There's also a What's New section, so you can keep up with the latest features and updates. So that is FYERS Web. We have dedicated videos for many of these sections. So check out FYERS Web and let us know what you think in the comments below. Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.